Hello, everyone, or just you, I guess, since, each of you is probably just one person watching my stuff. I hope I'm not talking too quiet. I don't have my mic on. All my animals are sleeping. But I just had a really odd sensation in my ear. Possibly random. I have heard that when your guardian angels are trying to talk to you, that it may come off as an odd ringing in the ear. And what's even weirder about it to me is that, I mean, I'll just be sitting there looking at my phone, watching TV, whatever, and only in one ear, in my left ear, I will go completely deaf in that ear, and then as the sound comes back, it's like a really super high-pitched ringing. Do I need to bring this up to my doctor? Possibly. I probably will. But I wanted to do a little session just to see if we could get any responses and see. Maybe Lauren came back. I know I've been hoping she would, so maybe she's here to talk. I was hoping my ear would ring again. But okay, I'm going to open it up. It's not going to be a long video, just real quick. Small session. If you have headphones on, you may want to take them off until we can adjust the noise volume. That way you can have it at an appropriate level based on your hearing, your own comfort level. I'm going to leave it about here, turn them on. Increase volume. Hi there. Was somebody here that wanted to talk? Do you know my name? Who is here with us? I heard happy. Can you tell me your name? That kind of sounded like Eloise. Did somebody make my ear start ringing? No? You did. Thank you so much. Can you tell me your name so I know who I'm talking to? Doug? I'm sorry if I'm not able to understand. Sometimes it's difficult for me to hear. What did you want to tell me? Is there more than one spirit trying to communicate right now? Okay, well maybe we could take turns and it would be a little easier. Lauren? Lauren, are you here? Well, Lauren, if that is you, could you please tell me what happened when you went missing? Is Lauren still here? Could I get each one of you to say your name, please? Lauren, if you can still hear me, is there anything you can tell me about what happened? Is it difficult to use this box? Am I still connected with anyone? What's your name? Was that Lauren? Is there anything you want me to know? Do you have a message for anyone else? What's the message? Did you say love you? Are you earthbound spirits, or have you been to heaven? Some of this stuff I'm gonna have to listen back. If there's anything else you want to say. You have, yes, and thank you so much. Yes, you guys are helping me. Before I turn it off, can I get everybody's names again? Okay. If there's anything else before I turn it off. Okay, thank you so much. I'm going to have to listen back to my recording. Okay, if there's somebody that needs to tell me something, you can make my ear ring again. And I'll turn my spirit box back on, okay? Make my ear ring or move something on my table. Just let me know and I'll turn it back on. You can turn it on even if you're able. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed talking with me. I really enjoyed speaking with you. Okay, we'll talk again later. Thank you so much again. Bye. Yes, and I'll be back soon, okay? I'll turn it back on later. Okay, bye. Did you say my name? Yeah. Okay, I'll see you later. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Okay, guys. That was very interesting to me. I feel like I got a lot of responses. Like I said, I just had a feeling that Lauren was around. I'm pretty sure that was her name that I heard at least 2 times. She pops in on this box with a female voice. She's the only... the name Lauren is the only name that I've gotten to come through with that female voice. So, you know, sometimes I'm not sure if it is her or not, so I keep asking just to confirm. And I also repeat my questions for you guys as well, and for any spirits that I may or may not be communicating with. I'm going to make my husband help me with subtitles. That way we can add in what I feel like I hear. He's not very interested in this type of stuff. I'll listen to something and I can hear a word plain as day, no problem. But when he listens to them, he can't hear it. I just don't think he's as perceptive and open to the idea of it. Maybe it scares him, and that's okay. We don't want anybody doing this if they're afraid or nervous. You know, you need to have confidence, strength, and let the spirits feel your strength and your light from your soul and inner self. I mean, I just made that up, but that's what I try to do. I just try to be positive and smile, and when I get a response on these things, it excites me. It makes me feel excited that it's happening rather than afraid. Now, if I wasn't at home in my home, I might feel differently. And depending on what was coming through the box, I might feel differently. But I enjoy this. I truly, truly do. And I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you appreciate it. I'll try to get this uploaded today or tomorrow. I have already posted one video today already. And I don't want to be flooding everybody's subscription box with tons and tons of videos. But I do feel it's important that when I have something that goes on, and makes me feel like I should do a session, that I should record it and share it with you guys. So if you feel like I upload too often, I apologize. You are more than welcome to let me know in the comments. And until anybody says anything, I'm just going to go ahead and keep doing what I'm doing. Like I said, I hope you guys appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I enjoy it. I know I appreciate you guys more than I can say. So, if you haven't already, be sure and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. And if you heard anything on this video, be sure to leave that in the comments down below. And give this video a thumbs up once you're to the end and you leave your comment. Let me know what you hear, if anything at all. If you didn't hear anything, let me know that too, please. And I think that is it. That's my cat meowing in the background, by the way. Yes, be sure to give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click the notifications so you don't miss any uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.